Ignore the battery anyway. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fire up the bike. It hasn't been fired up. Yeah.
Oh, the little one you're trying.
Yeah. Let's see if we fire it up. Yeah, just ignore the battery anyway. That's not the right battery obviously for the bike anyway. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna remove that, and we're gonna take all this off. This is the ABS system. Obvious, the reason I fired up the bike, so I'm gonna remove this off anyway, and you guys gonna see why I want to take that off. Well, I want to take that off because that thing is no point ever here, because I got aftermarket non-ABS wheels, and this specific model is come with ABS, which is just a waste of well, space really, and I want to remove this off. All that I don't think you can see it. This I want to take this off, and then obviously run a straight hose to the brakes. Okay. 1 second. So you can see this is the ABS module. So I want to take all this. I want to take this off, and that's, if you see it, that is the plug connect to the ABS. So I'm gonna try to unplug it, and then you guys are gonna see when I fire up the bike, the rev counter shouldn't be working. So that's why I'm trying to do this. I want to bypass that. So we got a couple options. Okay, the battery's back on. Some more, yeah. So can you see? The ABS plug is disconnected of the module. Okay, so now we're gonna fire up the bike and put the bike in gear. Let's see what happened. Okay, that's interesting. Let's fire up again. Okay. Okay. Got the battery plug in. So now how can you see the ABS plug is connected on the module. Okay. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna fire it up. Your job. Yeah. See, the back wheel is spinning. There. So the point now is bypass that. Once I bypass it, just all this can come off. But meanwhile, I got two options. Either get the new electrics and modify this, or just get a plug with a bypass, and then yeah, then we go from there. Hopefully next week. Meanwhile, it's been here stopped for over 2 years now. Yeah, shame, but it is what it is. Got the big bike there. Sneaky. Yeah. Okay, so what we got here, we got the ABS one, ABS schematic, and then we got the non-ABS. Okay, so this is the dash. So if you see here, speed input, if you follow this wire, come to here, down, okay, come here, number 6. So as you can see, this is the ABS one. Is the plug I disconnected. So when I disconnect this, obviously I don't have speed. And the reason I don't have speed is because this is disconnected from this one here. Okay, so if I follow this one here now, come down, and we come to this sensor. This is the speed sensor in the motor. Okay. So yeah. So I only got one option now is, well, yeah, I'm gonna have to connect this wire to this one here. Everything else, it doesn't matter. All this doesn't matter. Some is for the ABS on the front wheel. The other one is for the fuse. So yeah, it doesn't really matter. So the difference is between the ABS one and non-ABS one. If you see the on the dash, this is the plug of the dash, speed input. So if you follow the same wire, same color, boom, goes direct to the speed sensor on the motor. Where this one here, it breaks here between the number 4 and number 6. There you go. So the only thing I have to do is just connect this with this, and then we got speed on the bike. and I can take everything else, or the ABS module, yeah, just come off. That's it, no issue. Well, that's the plan. So let's see what happens when I take everything off. Any questions? Just comment below. Thank you. Okay, one thing we're gonna have to do as well is, I almost forgot this one, the green one, and the pink one. So the pink one is power and the green one is ground. So if you follow them, both of them, it's come to the ABS plug there, and from there come to the battery, 4-pin plug to the ABS fuse, which we don't have it anymore, to the main fuse, and then from there come to the positive of the battery. Okay, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this, wait, I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna do the same as this one here. You see them? This is the speed sensor. So the pink one and the green one, they come to the dash, and if you see there, now with the 12 volts, and obvious the green one is the ground. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna connect to them, because on the ABS model, what is it? There we go. It's nothing there, because obviously them two is connect to the ABS plug. So I'm gonna bring the well speed sensor, the positive and the negative, to up to here. So yeah, so just waiting for a few spares, another plug with the pins and the wires as well. I'm getting some new wires, and obviously this one is going to be connected to the well sensor. Well sensor, no, speed sensor on the motor. Boom, that's it.